Hi guys.
Tell them what we're doing.
We'll have to wait for the train to come.
Are you excited to go to Brisbane, baby? And jobless is daddy Mike.
I'm unemployed. Living off mama.
Paano na lang kami? How are we gonna do it? Daddy's not working. Mommy's not working. Everyone's not working. Paris, do you have a lot of money?
The crack right here.
Yeah. Daddy's gotta cut it.
Let's open the nut.
Are you excited?
And this is for Paris and Celine.
Is it?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's not for mommy?
No, already.
Yeah.
You have to wait. You have to wait for your present too.
Oh, I have to wait.
Mommy's got her present already.
Yes, you already have your presents.
Ready?
Okay. All right. Are you excited?
Yes, I've got lots of toys.
Okay, we'll have a look what's inside the box. What's inside the box? Okay. Have a look at this little girl. Good afternoon, everyone. Baby Celine went for a walk with Daddy, while Mama and Ate Paris is getting ready. Hello, Nana. How's your walk? Dumating to siya, guys. Kahit Sunday. Sunday pala, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Dumating siya delivery kahit Sunday.
Okay.
Oh my God, stand there next to Daddy. And we'll see what's inside, Beth. Tignan mo mukha ni Paris.
It's a time.
What's inside, na? Do you know? Careful, careful. Do you know what's inside, Paris?
My time.
Aren't you lucky? Aren't you lucky?
And the yellow music. My yellow music.
Wow. Hi, what do you say to Daddy?
Thank you. Thank you.
Aww.
That's the hole.
See.
Babe, show me, babe.
Sure, Mommy.
Wow, that's so big.
And let's see what else we've got here. Who's got some new jeans, Paris?
Wow, so cool.
That's for me.
Have a look.
Whoa, Daddy found Peppa Pig. I found Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
That is so
Is that for
beautiful.
you?
Yeah.
Is that for you?
Oh, it's a blue. I see bluey too. Oh, that.
Who's that for?
Everything's for Paris.
That's for you too.
Oh no.
Here's Celine.
How about Celine?
Yes.
Oh, actually, I think this is for you too. Is that for you?
Yes.
Where's for
Wow,
Celine?
they're so cute. I love this one.
These.
That's for Celine.
Here, Mommy. Here's the link.
Oh, you hold it. Show me, mommy. Show it to mommy.
Yeah.
One by one.
Show Mommy like this one. Look. Look.
That's cute.
And here's
That's cute.
my toy.
That is so nice.
And
It's not your one. It's mine.
That's cute. Did you say thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy. I've been waiting a lot.
You
You
have
like
been
something?
waiting a lot. Yeah, that's so cute.
huh?
That's so cute.
This is good for chocolate.
Yeah, it is.
My own
Huh?
open.
Yeah.
My own
Melissa?
open it. My own open. Can we see? Can we see? Can we see?
Smiling. Keep on smiling.
This is actually
Yeah.
perfect. That's actually.
Are you going to share with baby Celine with your toys as well? Yeah, you're a really good ate.
Are you gonna open that?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Oh no.
Okay. Now you open that. I'm gonna get the stuff ready to
Yeah.
bring.
Give it to Daddy.
So guys, good afternoon. Ayan. So nagbihis pala kami kasi it is Sunday and we are going to the city today. Yun yung plano. And we want...
Today we're going to go to the playground.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
bus.
We are going to catch the train from here to the city. So, hindi ko pa na-catch yung train galing dito, guys, papuntang city. Hindi kasi ako nagtitrain, guys. Always akong nagda-drive. So, it's going to be, you know, fun and interesting to have Paris and Celine in the train with us. So, yan yung gagawin natin. We don't have any plan kung anong gagawin namin sa city, guys. But we just wanna go. It's not a very nice day today. Sobrang makulimlim sa labas. But, you know, we don't have anything to do. Well, we have, you know, cleaning the house and all. But we want to go outside since wala nang lockdown. Kasi we'll never know kailan magla-lockdown ulit. Kaya, alis tayo. Oh my goodness!
You go for some more.
Sure. Sing.
You use it. You can show it to baby Selena. Show to baby Selena. Guys, tell her what is it.
It's at the end of America.
Oh, wow! Do you want to play with that one, Baba? Hmm? Okay. Let's us all get ready. I'll get the wipes and nappies, snack, and then we can go.
Oh!
Boy,
my God!
No. Buang, Papa na. Buang. No, GFC.
Oh!
Look, is your daddy crazy?
Oh! Oh my God!
A few moments later.
Ready?
We're here now.
Paris, you gotta stay behind me on the line.
Just waiting for the train. So it's departing in 5 minutes. Flinders Street. Where are we gonna stop at, Flinders?
Yeah.
I never catch this train.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's a good train.
Really? Well, I'll tell you what I think. Baby Celine is not sleeping, guys. Here's Addie Paris.
Hi.
Hi. We're waiting for our train. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Tell them what we're doing.
Okay, we'll have to wait for the train to come
Yeah. Where we're going?
to our playground.
We're going to the city. We'll play there.
Yes, in the playground.
Yeah, what time it is now, guys? It's 2 o'clock na ata. That's okay. We still have enough time. Still have enough time to go around the city and whatnot.
Yeah, you sit next to mommy better.
No,
And then stand up on the train so you can see out the window.
Yay! Paris, look at mommy. Where are you going?
to the city.
Yay! Are you excited?
Face this way, honey. Face that way.
sleeping. Face this way now. Sit down like mommy. Sit down like mommy.
I have to see the sea.
Oh, see?
I have to see the water.
Oh, stand up. Stand up. Just hold on. Like that. Wow. Wow. We can see Melbourne City now. Yeah. The building. The tall building.
And where?
I'll show you later. There's another train next to you.
When the train go away, and then we can see.
And then you can see the city. You can see the city. Guys, nahihilo ako sa amoy, guys. Grabe. Nakakahilo.
Sami.
A few moments later.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses.
I'm feeding baby Celine, guys. And while feeding the baby girl, here. I'm watching Ate Paris, you know. I don't know if you can see her. Naglalaro siya sa labas. Maganda to, guys, kasi meron silang camera ba. Ayan, oh. Kita mo yung ginagawa ng anak mo. Ayan, oh, nag-move na sa Ate Paris. So, nag-order lang ako ng chicken skin tsaka sweet potato slicing, guys. Taiwanese street food. Ayan. $10. Ating baby girl ay nandyan. Hello, Nana. Si Ate Paris kasi Daddy Mike, guys. Pumunta sila doon. May Christmas tree kasi doon na malaki. And then we'll go there after our food. I love their food, guys. Sobrang sarap ito. Isn't it right, Bobby? Bobby. 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 Pasko na. Hi, na. What is it?
Snacks, mommy.
I don't want to wear snacks.
Huh? It's snacks. It's a sweet potato. It's a chips. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 5:40 ng hapon. And we're still in the city. Dito kami ni Baby Celine. Naghihintay sa labas. Kasi si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris na bumibili ng frozen yogurt. Kasi si Ate Paris natin na nanghihingi ng snacks. Ayaw niya ng ibang gusto niya sweets. So si Daddy Mike para sabihin na ice cream o frozen yogurt. Kaya yun. So it's good to be back in the city for I don't know, nearly a year na siguro since the last time na nakapunta ako dito. Hindi, over ba? Exaggerated ba ako kung nearly a year? Kasi nga dahil sa lockdown, hindi na ako hindi na ako pumupunta ng city talaga. So today, kaya gusto talaga ni Daddy Mike na pumunta dito. And, andito ako, nakikita ko yung office ni Daddy Mike, guys, oh. Kita niyo ba yan? Sa ibabaw. Ewan ko kung ano niyo, guys, dyan. Oh, Yang building na yan, pinaka tuktok dyan ang office ni Daddy Mike kapag not working from home siya. Sobrang taas. Yeah, but not for long now. And by saying that, not for long, kasi si Daddy Mike natin ay nag-resign na. So, di ba na-mention ko sa inyo kahapon na nag-book na si Daddy Mike ng one-way ticket to Brisbane. So, January the 4th, aalis na kami, pupunta na kami ng Brisbane. Doon na kami maninirahan. And obviously, si Daddy Mike need na mag-resign. So, nag-resign na siya. And then, yung last day niya sa work niya is 3rd of December ata. So, next month. And then, meron siyang extra na month para, ang tawag dito, mag-pack kami. And, I don't know, para mag-relax lang before the big move. Yeah. So, wala nang trabaho si Daddy Mike after the 3rd of December. And then, doon na sa, and then, next chapter na ng buhay namin yung pag-move namin sa Brisbane. And, it's going to be really exciting, guys. And here's our baby girl. Nak, are you excited to move to Brisbane? Are you excited to go to Brisbane, baby? Good girl ni Mama, ang baby. Good job, my love. Sobrang tagal nilang nakalabas doon, guys. Alam niyo, sobrang ginaw na. Nanginginig na ang aking tinggel. Sobrang ginaw. Check natin sila kung okay lang ba sila na. They're next na. Baby girl. Ate is having frozen yogurt. At ito yung nabili ko sa Taiwanese. Oh, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Again.
Wow! Aren't you cold na? Itog na, magay mo inahan. You going na, Daddy?
Let us serenade it for a bit.
Okay. Alright, sit there, Nak. Oh, in the corner. Oh, here, ito daw. Sit there. They're leaving. We'll sit for a little bit. Come.
You sit here, princess. No. It's too big. You gotta drop it.
Sukli po. Sukli po. Ayan lang, ating baby girl kumakain na ng kanyang what's that na? Ice cream. And here's the little one. Hindi pa siya makakain, Mom.
Why?
Daddy, I told him I can see your office from here.
The what?
Your office.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Kikita pa rin namin dito, guys. Oh.
Makakos na mo.
Yeah, no, I told them actually. There you go. Kita ulit. Yeah. So, yeah, I mentioned to them, Daddy, that your last day would be next month.
Yeah, December the 3rd.
Yeah, 3rd of December. So,
And it's Friday.
oh, is that Friday?
Friday, December the 3rd.
Yeah. So, there you go. And then, jobless is si Daddy Mike.
I'm
Jobless.
unemployed. Living off mama.
Paano na lang kami? How are we gonna do it? Daddy's not working. Mommy's not working. Everyone's not working. Paris, do you have a lot of money? Huh? Can you buy us rice?
Ice cream.
Baba girl? Can you buy us rice?
Yes, but the princess got a rock.
Hindi kasi guys, nakaano ang tawag dito. May mga leave kasi na naiiwan si Daddy Mike guys. Kaya yun yung gagamitin niya. Eh, paano na lang pag tapos na yung work niya. Tapos, ano ang tawag dito. Wala pang next na work kaagad, di ba? Kasi merong mga leave yung mga ganun. So, para may time pa, hindi kami ma-stress na mag-move, So, that's why, nag-decide si Daddy Mike na gamitin na lang yung leave niya na 1 month para sa, the whole December.
Which color ice cream do you like?
I like pink.
Huh?
Pink. Hi, Nanak. Can you see yourself now? Can you see yourself, Papa?
Mommy?
Hi.
Mommy?
Hi, Celine.
Do you want to pink ice cream?
Yes, please.
Give Daddy some ice cream, please.
I didn't see any strawberry ice cream.
I know. I can have the vanilla. It's yummy.
Daddy, some ice cream.
Hey, can you see yourself?
Give Daddy some ice cream first. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Oh, that's too much.
Don't give me too much.
A few moments later.
We're home. We're home, Tita and Tito. Are you tired now? Are you tired?
No.
No? What are you doing now? You watching your TV? Yan. It's 8 o'clock at night now. And ang ating, kung marinig nyo sa background, ng ating baby Celine ay paiyak-iyak na. So, na-change ko na ang kanyang damit. She is ready to go to sleep. I'm just going to turn the light off. Oh, yes, baby. Ashush. Say, Tita, I'm going to sleep now. Yes. Oh. Don't cry. Don't cry. Ang kanyang white noise is playing. Did you enjoy your laag-laag sa city na? Oh, so sleepy naman ang baby. Okay. Anyways, guys, hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog ha, kasi papatulugin ko na tong baby natin. And I'll just do a quick shout out pala sa mga mahal nating subscribers dyan. Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa, but yeah, alam nyo na yun. Super thankful ako sa inyong lahat. Oh yes, anak. We'll say thank you to Tita and Tito, okay? Oh, shush! Namiyak na ang aking anak. Yeah, shout out to Jacob Man Vlog, me and Team Mercados, Rinalyn Guillermo, Liling Yang, Austria, Sylvia Mamalia Sambilad, Teresa Ortega, oh, shush, anak! Fe Dizon,